Hello students, welcome back to our EVS class. This is the first part of the 18th chapter, People and Their Occupations. In this session, we are going to study about different types of professions, traditional occupations, and gender and work. There are various types of occupations based on the kind of skills required to do specific things. Let us learn about some of them. Skilled workers. Many jobs require a specific set of skills or training. We often require the help of skilled workers like plumbers, electricians, and carpenters in our daily lives. Farmer. Farmer grows cereals, vegetables, and pulses in his field. He works very hard. He has a good knowledge of different aspects of farming like plowing, sowing, and harvesting. He uses different equipment for farming. Next, let us study about cobbler. Cobbler polishes and mends shoes. He also makes new shoes. He uses tools like a knife, an awl, a needle, thread, and glue to do his work. Children, do you know who is a cobbler? Cobbler polishes and mends shoes. He also makes new shoes. Next, let us study about tailor. Tailor designs and stitches clothes using tools like sewing machine, thread, and needle. There are other professions that we see around us like the potter who makes earthen pots, a mechanic who repairs different kinds of vehicles, and a driver who can drive various types of vehicles. Next, let us study about professionals. Certain jobs need specific educational qualifications and formal training in professional courses. Let us learn about some of them. Architect. An architect is a skilled professional who plans and designs buildings and generally plays a key role in their construction. Architects are highly trained in the art and science of building design. Doctor. A doctor is someone who is qualified in medicine and treats people who are ill. He or she works at a hospital and also helps the people. Children, who is a doctor? Doctor is someone who is qualified in medicine and treats people who are ill. Pilot. A pilot is someone who is in the aviation industry and who is able to operate aircraft in order to transport passengers or goods from one location to another. Who is pilot? A pilot is someone who is in the aviation industry and who is able to operate aircraft. Next, let us study about traditional occupations. Occupations like weaving, embroidery, and carpet weaving are usually practiced in small cottage industries. The technique used in them may have been handed down through generations. Some of the examples are hand-woven silk sarees like Pochambali sarees of Andhra Pradesh, Jamdani Tant and Tangil sarees of West Bengal, and chicken embroidery of Lucknow. keeping the society clean. Sweepers are employed by government and private organizations to keep public places like roads, railway stations, and private buildings clean. There are people who manage the job of proper garbage disposal in a neighborhood. They help us to keep the society clean. Students, earlier, women were not considered fit to take up certain professions. Also, men were considered suitable for only specific professions. All these ideas are gradually changing. Every individual has the right to choose her or his professions. It is great to see women actively joining in the army, air force, and other such professions. So students, today we have learnt about different types of professions, traditional occupations, and gender and work. Children, in the next class, we will discuss the question answer part of this chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.